For the past 3 years, I've been meditating on daily basis, and it has completely changed my life. Every day, I took a time to sit quietly with my thoughts and connect with my inner self. And guess what? As the time went on, meditation helped me become more clear-headed, mindful, and discover new things about myself. Meditation became my secret escape, where my stress disappeared, worries became smaller, and I found a feeling of peace. It made me feel strong and ready to handle anything that life threw at me. Not only that, but meditation helped me to find my inner self and become more creative. And in this video today, guys, I want to share with you guys the stuff what I have learned, what techniques I have used, and how meditation can be beneficial into your life. Meditation is not a new practice. It has been around of thousands of years and has roots in various ancient traditions and cultures. The origins of meditation can be traced back to ancient civilizations such as India, China, and Egypt. Throughout the history, meditation has been throughout the different forms and has been adapted to different civilizations and traditions. It has been practiced by spiritual leaders, philosophers, and ordinary individuals who are seeking inner peace and spiritual growth. In recent years, meditation has gained popularity beyond its traditional cultures. It has been widely recognized of its potential benefits to mental and emotional well-being. Scientists and researchers have done plenty of studies to explore the effects of meditation on the brain and the body to see its positive effects. Today, meditation is practiced on daily basis by people from different backgrounds and their beliefs. It has evolved in different kind of forms as a meditation, mindfulness, body relaxation, and different type of forms. Each approach offers different kind of unique techniques, but they all share the same goal, which is quieting the mind and having the body relax. But how does meditation actually work? Meditation is a practice that helps us achieve a state of calmness and inner peace. When we meditate, we set aside time to sit or lie down in a quiet place and focus our attention. We may focus on our breath, specific object, or repeat a word or phrase. By doing this, we allow our mind to become still and free from constant thoughts. As we continue doing the meditation on daily basis, our brain starts to adapt. The brain waves slow down and we enter in a relaxed state. This calm state helps us experience mental clarity, where our thoughts become more clear and we gain new insights and perspective. Meditation not only has impact on our minds, but also our body. It promotes relaxation and reduces the physical symptoms of the stress. In addition to relaxation, meditation improves our ability to focus and concentrate. With regular meditation practice, we can train our focus ability and be more focused on our daily tasks. Meditation has also positive effects on our emotional well-being. It can increase our mood and reduce feelings of anxiety and sadness. By taking time to meditate, we create a space for us to let go of the negative emotions and increase sense of happiness. And last but not least, another aspect of meditation is mindfulness. Mindfulness involves being fully present in the current moment, paying attention to our thoughts, feelings, and surroundings without judgment. Now let's dive into my own meditation journey and experience. During the COVID-19 pandemic, I started my journey of meditation that has transformed my life. It all began when I stumbled upon a podcast episode featuring Jim Quick and Vishen Lakiani, Mindvalley, where they discussed the incredible benefits of meditation. They emphasized that meditation is not about just sitting and breathing, but rather than connecting with our inner self, making positive changes in our life, and achieving goals. At that time, I was still in my early study years at my university, and my grades and my habits were not going in the right direction. And deep down, I knew that I had to change. So I decided to give a meditation a try, and I discovered the 6-phase meditation program offered by Mindvalley, and I set myself a commitment to practice it daily. At first, it was a bit challenging to quiet my mind and sit still, but about 2 or 3 months of consistent meditation, I began experience some incredible shifts. Firstly, I noticed a significant improvement in my ability to focus and stay disciplined in my study habits, and in results, my study grades drastically improved. However, the most exciting part about my meditation journey was that new ideas was flowing throughout my mind. As I connected with my inner self, I discovered passion for fitness, and I decided to showcase my knowledge and experience on social media. I began posting content consistently, sharing my fitness insights, and engaged with community of like-minded individuals. Meditation not only helped me academically, but also sparked my creativity and passion. It opened me new doors for opportunities and allowed it to pursue my dreams. Throughout the constant meditation practice, I learned to tap into my inner self, find balance, and align my actions with my goals. And now meditation has become an essential part of my daily routine, helping me to achieve goals and go throughout the challenges and continue my path to my personal and professional journey. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment if you have. I would really appreciate it. And now guys, let's break down the 6-phase meditation, which I practice myself on daily basis, and you can do it too. The 6-phase meditation is a 20-minute guided meditation. At start, I suggest you to do it on guided meditation, but later when you already know the steps, practice it in your own tempo and in your own pace for better results. It will help you organize some of your goals and address some of the issues you're facing currently. The practice takes you through the 6 essentials everyone needs in their lives to thrive. Phase 1, love and compassion. This phase is about feelings connected to other people and having a sense of compassion towards them. As you are guided throughout this phase, you are taken from your sense of compassion for yourself to the space you are in, and then out through your neighborhood, to the town you live, region in which you reside, your home country, and then to our place globally on the earth. Most of us are disconnected from our families, let alone what is happening in other countries. This phase plugs us not only in ourselves, but also our home, the world. Phase 2, gratitude. In this phase, you focus on 3 things. You feel grateful for you in your personal life, 3 things in your business life, and 3 things you are grateful for in yourself. Most of us spend our time daily worrying about our future or our past, but we don't appreciate the moment what we have now. This gratitude phase allows us to appreciate for the things we currently have or the things aren't going at the moment. Phase 3 is forgiveness. In the world we live in today, we need this more than ever. This phase is always a struggle because maybe someone in the past has not been loyal to you or had done something in the past, and you are still holding that bad energy towards to someone, but you want to let it go, which can drastically improve our energy, mood, feelings, and health. Phase 4, the future dreaming. This is my favorite phase because here you are thinking about your goals. Let's say three years ahead from now. How will your life look? Your love life, your health and your body, your career or business. Are you happy where you are at this moment? Or you can visualize a life that will make you happy. The future dreams, goals, let us become who we really want to be in the future, and what steps and actions we need to take today to achieve those goals. Phase 5 is perfect day. With your goals in mind, how can you today support your vision of 3 years from now? This sets up your day for success. You can go into your day and allow the little things to steal your energy, or you can actually plan how are you gonna be happy all day. It's all in your hands. And last phase, the blessings. Assuming you have a higher power, this phase is about connecting to that energy and asking support from the higher self. If you don't believe in that, that's okay. You can thank yourself or your family or other belief systems you have, which can help you achieve this goal. In conclusion, guys, meditation has been a game changer in my life. Starting my meditation journey back in the COVID times, where then I discovered the 6-phase meditation from the Jim Quick podcast and the incredible benefits of meditation. It's not about just sitting with your thoughts and breathing. It's about connecting with our inner selves and making a positive change. Throughout consistent practice, I witnessed improvement in my focus, discipline, creativity, leading to pursue my passion on daily basis. Meditation has quickly become a big part of my daily routine, guiding me on a path of my personal and professional journey. And if you are guys seeking to change your life, achieve your goals, and become more creative with your inner self, embrace meditation. It has a power to change your life. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.